Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the position of Instagram camera toolbar. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram allows you to make stories, but do you ever feel need to change the stories toolbar position on Instagram? So, in this video, I will show you how to do it, which shows on your camera screen on Instagram story. By default, the bar is placed on the left side of your screen, while the left side bar may be comfortable for some, for others, the right side will work better for the stories toolbar. You can follow this step by step to change the position of the toolbar from your Instagram camera. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on plus icon on your story, or you just can slide your screen to the right like this until the camera opened. You can see the toolbar of your camera is on the right side. On the right side. I mean on the left side. Here's the toolbar. If you want to change the position to the right, you can tap on the upper right corner here. There is an gear icon. You can tap on that. And you'll see there is an option on camera tools. You can choose which side of the screen you want your camera toolbar to be on. By default, it's setting on the left hand side. But if you want to change to right hand side, you can tap on the right hand side. You can tap on done on the upper right corner here. And you can see the toolbar is changed from the left side into the right side. It's a simple, right? So that is how to change position of camera toolbar on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!